We are headed, that's an iPhone charger, up, well, over, well, up, I don't know, to, guys, about an hour away to go on a Cub Scout hike in the pouring rain. Yay!
Hey, Jimmy, if you're watching this, we found a little pocket knife with your name on it.
I don't think,
yeah, Jimmy definitely doesn't want to watch our videos. He's a horrible person.
He's a horrible cousin. What's wrong? Oh, I'm just trying to pull it up on a map here, but yeah, it's like literally 100% chance.
It has a knife, scissors.
Shh. It's 100% chance of rain today. So, and lightning. We'll see how that goes. Initially, we were going to do 3 miles one way, but I think they've changed it. I don't know. We have to see when we get up there. I'm not gonna worry about it. So come along with us. They have, this is a train type thing. I'm trying to think how they have us go. This is a train type thing where they have like different stations and things like that. So we're gonna go do that. Come along with us and watch us get soaking wet. We'll see how this goes. Hi friends, we're in ponchos because it's pouring rain outside. So let's go for a hike. Oh, watch out.
Put your hood up, buddy.
Bright green color, and when you walk through the soot, it will get all dark and it would turn brown or black. Okay?
This piece and this piece with the center notch up, and then build it out from there. So that'll be a good starting point. And see what happens. See how some of the notches are up, some of the notches are down, and they put pressure against each other, and that's how some's in compression, some's in tension, depending on where you are on the bridge, and that's how it supports itself. Okay, does that make sense? All right, right there. If you want to start, do you guys want to start from like scratch, or you want to start with a little section built?
Start from scratch.
Start from scratch, okay.
There you go.
That's the attitude to have.
Way to go right there.
So, to make the steam, we need to burn some coal. Do you know what steam is? Do you know what steam's made of?
To start it.
French fries.
What's
Fire.
steam?
Well, fire inside the coal, sort of cold and wet. You lit it, you made it hot. So you turn that chemical energy to heat energy. Heat the coal through the doors and tip it into the other thing. And then you'll come back here and give your shovel to the next person. Simple?
Try not to lose your coal
There
all the
are
way.
2, so you can do 2 at a time. This is tiny coal. This is easy to shovel. Are you ready? Who's going to go for the other shovel? You are. Who wins the umbrella?
Help him. Go, Kiki, go.
Go, Kiki.
Run, buddy.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, keep going. Your train's going to stop. Hurry, run.
10, 9, 8.
Oh, yeah. Good job, run, Kiki, run, buddy, run. Careful, give it to Nady, give it to Nady.
Give it to Nady.
Give it to Nady. Nady, your train's going to stop, man. Go, man. Run.
Oh, that's a big load.
Open the doors, please.
There we go.
Come on, Nate. Run. We got 10 seconds for him.
In a museum. If it was out on the tracks, burning all that coal, right, it would be all black and gunky, and you wouldn't be able to see inside these oil cups.
One more time, bud.
Yeah, get one more try. Go back on because you get one more. Yep. Ready? Go.
Good job, Kiki.
That's all right. That was a good solid job.
The railroad lines down in Pennsylvania where they mine coal, and to take that coal up to Fairhaven on Lake On.
And yeah, that covers it. So have you stand down here. And what the object of this whole thing is we're going to give you a bunch of codes.
Stop.
If you
To read it.
what's it mean?
What's it mean,
Don't
Nate?
do it. One step back.
One step back, yep.
Okay?
Step back, Alice.
It's starting to come out a little bit.
A little bit of smoke out of the steam engine. I saw it. I saw it. Kiki wants to blow the whistle.
Both sides are HO scale? This one's O. This one's O. Yep, this one's O. I'll get it.
Almost, Kig. You could do that with a partner, huh?
You're doing really good at that. Put your head back. I have somebody behind you.
Yep. Now do your shoulder.
So I'm gonna take one. Okay. No. Oh
no, thank you.
You have to. You can't do one.
No, I'm good. So I'm hoping that I got that on video,
Lunch isn't here.
all of it,
Okay, it's
because
like McDonald's or.
because my screen went on my camera. So I'm guessing, but
Okay, do you want to go to dinner?
whew, we're not. Neither of those things are in Dryden. I think they'll be quiet. We made it, and it's a warm day, so it's not as bad. Don't you agree?
Okay, stop.
I guess he doesn't agree. All right,
please.
we're going to lunch. Bye.
I can eat all.
Okay, the rain is getting cold now. It's 55. We just stopped and had some lunch, a late lunch, early dinner. We are gonna head home. We are going to watch some movies and chillax. I'm guessing, hold on, tomorrow's supposed to be a busy day, but I'm guessing soccer and stuff's gonna be canceled. So, all right, bye. Hey friends, we are going out for the day. Soccer was canceled because I figured the field's a mess. They said like there's standing water on it because it rained yesterday, like all day long. A good amount of rain. It's sprinkling today anyway, Nate, so you know that it's sprinkling right now. You wouldn't have had soccer anyway, even if the fields were in a mess. Nate's kind of bummed because he didn't get to play against the team they were supposed to play against today because he was in quarantine. So he really wanted to be able to play against this team, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go. Paul needs rotors and brakes for the back of his truck and the auto places around.
Is it gonna rain today?
Yeah, it's raining right now, sweetie. The auto places around here. Don't hold on, please. Don't have the thing, so we have to go. I don't know, 45 minutes away or so. There's a huge shortage. I'm sure everyone knows there's a huge shortage of everything right now, and auto like rotors and stuff are part of that. So that did say 10. Is there something in my tire? We came up here because this is all I need. My tires, I had a low tire. It said yesterday when we were coming home, it came on that I had a low tire. And it said 9 this morning. And, but it didn't look low. Whatever. Tires, brakes, they're not our friends right now. I know I need tires for my car, but I can't do anything about my car right now until we get Paul's truck done. What a fun few months this has been. So, we're here. We're thankful. We're going to go down there, and I also want to go to Walmart there and pick up a couple things. Is that always the one? I don't know. I'm so confused. But come along with us. We'll see what we're going to find. We're just going to go, just go out and have an adventure for a little bit. So come along with us. Bye. This is Paul's stepbrother's house where he died. How terrible.
What did Lucy die of?
Well, that is going to do it for us for this weekend. We had a pretty good weekend. We stopped by after we looked at Paul's stepbrother's house and spent some time with his stepsister for a few minutes. We haven't seen her in a long time, so it was nice. I got some things at Walmart to do a couple more projects with. I gotta still make a Halloween wreath. Kids are crazy. It's bedtime. We are headed to bed. Good night. A good one. Bye.